Dialogue. This dialogue is between a woman and a doctor at a GP clinic. The woman has been experiencing persistent headaches for several weeks and is seeking medical advice. The dialogue begins now.
Good morning. I can see from your file that you've been experiencing headaches for the past 2 weeks. Can you describe the pain for me?
「係啊，醫生，個痛主要喺我個頭右邊，朝早開始痛，跟住成日都越嚟越嚴重，有時我仲會覺得頭暈。
I see. Have you noticed any changes in your vision, or do you feel nauseous when the headaches are severe?
「我視力有時會蒙咗少少，不過唔會想嘔。我一直有食撲熱息痛，但係淨係頂到幾個鐘咋。」
I'd like to run some tests, including a blood test and possibly a CT scan, just to rule out anything serious. I'll also refer you to a specialist if needed.
「聽落都幾擔心喎。聽落都幾擔心喎。我要等幾耐先有檢查結果啊？我驚會唔會係啲好嚴重嘅嘢。
The blood test results should be available within 3 days. The CT scan might take about a week. Please try not to worry. Most headaches have simple causes like stress or tension.
「唔該晒，醫生。咁我喺呢段時間應唔應該繼續食撲熱息痛啊？定係你會建議啲藥力強啲嘅藥呢？」
You can continue with paracetamol for now, but don't exceed 4 grams per day. I'll also prescribe a mild anti-inflammatory that may help with the pain. Make sure you stay hydrated and get enough rest.
「我明白。我走嗰陣會喺櫃枱預約檢查。多謝醫生你抽時間，唔該晒。」
One more thing, if your headaches suddenly become much worse, or you experience sudden vision loss or difficulty speaking, please go to the emergency department immediately.
我會加啦，多謝醫生你嘅建議。等結果出咗之後，我一定會返嚟覆診。